179,403. We're doing fine on the stream. Testing. 631. We're doing fine. 601. All right. I think we're good. Let's open up our applications. Scene one. Transition. Transition check. Force quit. No one's jamming my transmission. Uh, we'll be starting. Checking my audio. Testing my audio. Testing my audio. Testing my audio. We're ready to go live any minute. Okay, ready. share. The group. Ready to go live. We're still ready to go live any minute. Testing my own. Testing my own. Ready to go live any minute. Okay. 4:30. Let's start. Okay, welcome to Soul of the Market. We are now live in 7 continents across the globe. We are now live in all platforms: iPhone, iPad, Kindle, Nook, Chromecast, Smart TV, etc., etc. We are now live for the Weekender Market Review. My apologies for not showing up last night because the weather is so bad, the signal is so weak. So we're not going to compensate you. I'm going to compensate you for showing up tonight. This afternoon for the Weekender Post-Market Review. Okay? For that, we also, my apologies as well because there are all ongoing improvement works around the house and around the neighborhood. So there will be some heavy metal noise you'll be hearing. So bear with me, and then we're just going to do it quick. All right, and then announcement: August 10, there will be SMC investors briefing at San Miguel Corporate Center in Mandaluyong. Okay, so if you are an SMC holder, a Petron holder, Petron Corporation stockholder, you are entitled to attend. Just show up your certification or whatever invitation you have. That's for the investors briefing. And then August 20, top overview and backdoor session at Metro Club. So we'll be having the usual overview for the first timers, the usual backdoor session. You can do bowling, you can do swimming, you can do whatever you want, except billiards. I mean after the backdoor we can go billiards and then just talk whatever we want to talk about. What else? Yeah. Sa top, natuto ka na, may barkada ka pa. Okay? So my apologies once again for our English-speaking viewers. I'll be going English and Tagalog. So now, let's move on to our post-market weekender post-market review that we missed last night. Okay? Good afternoon. Okay, so last night was really the signal was really weak even in the strongest spot, even in the strongest area I'm into. So ngayon, I'll just go in and open my applications so we can start reviewing how we performed last week. Okay? Also, if you are following the Tirador exchange, our calendar contract is now 40,000 per contract. We started at 1,500. We opened the contract at 1,500. It's now selling at 40,000. So, medyo bilisan natin ng konti dahil yung signal natin medyo humihina. Then we'll proceed. Okay. And then for those of you who are wondering what is Soul of the Market, Soul of the Market is not just about me. It's an idea, or it's run by more than one person. It's more than me. Okay. Soul of the Market is under one umbrella, one conglomerate that controls, that holds Tirador Exchange, the Tirador Tabloid, the TRX Tabloid, the School of Fish. Yeah, so that's the umbrella. There's one umbrella that's holding these entities. All right. So just in case you're wondering, baka inisip niyo ako lang mag-isang gumagawa nito. No, it's not. There are people who's doing the content, doing what needs to be aired, what needs to be broadcasted. So there are people behind that. So not only me. Okay. Now let me share my screen. So if you'll notice, I have a new logo. Ang quiz, my quiz tomorrow, ayan na, my quiz tomorrow is what company is this logo? Okay? What company is this logo? My quiz, that will be my quiz tomorrow. For our Sunday planning session. Hold on. No. Only today's Soul of the Market is just a special live stream. Okay, because we missed our live stream last night. We have a very weak signal right now. It's too strong. It's about unbelievably what 10 Mbps. We're heading like 10 Mbps. All right. So let's exploit the opportunity. Okay, good afternoon everyone. So let's do this. Hi, sit tight and enjoy. All right. Let's open our chart nexus. The usual chart nexus setting. Go to charting tab to set your swag trading system. We're using the swag trading system sa chart sa ating post market review. So in order for you to follow me, you should have a chart nexus, and then you should have the PSE data. Okay. Then go to indicators tab. Make sure the money flow index is checked. Set it by default. Moving average is checked. Edit. Make sure the period is 20. Exponential and check. MA line is blue. Apply. Apply. And close. Okay. Then moving average 2 should be checked. Edit. Period is 13. Exponential is checked. MA line is red. Apply. Apply and close. Alright, so we're good to go. Oh, not yet. Parabolics are. The parabolic stop and reverse would be checked. Default values would be set to default. Okay? So no need to touch anything. Close. So now we're all set for our swag trading system on chart nexus. So what else? Okay. Let's see who else is on the... Yan. Okay lang. Kahit konti lang tayo ngayon because this is impromptu. Sure. Okay. We only have 14 viewers today because this is an unannounced live stream. I'm just compensating for what we don't have last night. Okay, let's go to the index. PSE, I just want to make sure if my audio is loud and clear. Make a simple test. So, all right. Okay, I think we're good. Yung index natin closed at 7,970.35, which is a negative 1% from Thursday, from the previous day. Okay? Long term, medium term, we're still in the uptrend. Yeah. Kahit na August, okay? Then let's look at the ito yung general direction ng market natin. Okay? And then if we check out the SMA 20 over SMA 13. We are now SMA 20 PSEI is now SMA 20 over SMA 13. So the very likely direction of it is about to touch the lower channel. So we might have a resistance, a support at 77, 78, 79. Sunod-sunod lang. Ay may mga possible support natin. Our resistance is always at 8,100. I think we already hit the double top. The double top from what's that? April last year. So probably nag-double top na tayo. So we're on the way to a correction. Okay? So yan na yung natin. Yan na itsura ng market natin. Now, okay. Then dahil muna tayo sa ating cheat sheet from last week. Let me get a pen. Okay, I think this is a good time for people on the other side of the time zone, US, Europe, Africa, yung mga OFW natin dyan, watching Soul of the Market at this moment. Minsan replay lang sa inyo, sa atin, minsan ngayon lang tayo may live. Okay, so let's go to our cheat sheet from last week. Today is August 6. So make sure your notes are ready. We are not on the planning session yet. Tomorrow will be the planning session. Tomorrow is where real work gets done. Today we're evaluating what happened to our picks last week. So MAB, let's go to MAB. Manila Mining B. Manila Mining B still ongoing, the SMA 20, SMA 13. Okay. Pacifica, we know what happened to Pacifica. Umiscore tayo dyan, di ba? From last week, what's the total performance natin from last week? %, almost 10%. This is Pacifica. So we performed 10% up last week. PA 10%. So isa pa lang yung Manila Mining A. Hold on. Manila Mining A nag-cross na. We're up by So what's the highest? It crossed 13. 18%. Okay, take note, we're only looking at 2 stocks pa lang. So we're already up by 28%. Then we have on the cheat sheet we have IS. Ito, if you have the notes from last week, so you can follow me. SMA 20, EMA 13 still ongoing. So pwede pa siyang mag-buy, pwede ka pa mag-buy. FLI, Phil Invest. Phil Invest, SMA 20 over MA 13 still ongoing. Let's check what happened last Friday, yesterday. In the past week. Tingnan natin. So, plus 3% FLI. Then, we have LC. LC. Still ongoing pa rin yata ito, LC. LC, SMA 20 over MA 13. We have a money flow index going up, meaning the fund is going in for LC. And then, last day was a jump at 4.5%. Okay, congratulations. How are we hitting? Kumusta yung swag trading system? Doing good? Doing good so far? Then we have on our list is Kalata. Tingnan natin si Kalata. Cal is SMA 20 over MA 13. Money flow index is going up. Okay. Performance niya last Friday, 1.8%. The highest. Then we have MCP. Melco Crown. SMA 20 over EMA 13. So it's still ongoing. Maganda yung ano niya. Maganda yung, I think the funding is good. Money flow index going in. Binabalan ng konti, but the overall performance 8.1%. Hindi ko binibilang yung last Thursday. If I sum it up, kung sinamap ko yung performance from Monday, masyadong mataas yung, masyadong parang ano yan, parang if we, parang FA, you know the FA, the ETF for Philippine, for the, MASCI, sorry, the MASCI, the ETF for MASCI, yung index ng Asia, we exclude Japan kasi when we include Japan, masyadong mataas yung masyadong maganda yung itsura ng average. So, parang ganito yan, we don't include the rest of the week kasi masyadong mataas yon. Okay? Masyadong maganda tignan yung performance. Masyadong so good to be true. That's why I'm only including the last Friday performance. MCP. All right? Then we have yung bagong sponsor, that will be the quiz for tomorrow. Huhulaan ninyo. Sandali saan na tayo? MCP ACR. Alsons SMA 20 over MA 13, pwede pa yata, pwede pang humabol. But no, I think if you try to chase this, much lower dapat. Wag ngayon. Looks like it's going to go down further. Mukhang mukhang 2% ACR. Looks like it's an exotic play. So wag muna. Kung may hawak ka nito, I think you should start selling 50% of your holding. Just to be sure you protect some profits. Then ACR, we have Sirtec TKC Steel. TKC SMA 20 over MA 13, so medyo mangat na rin. 4.6%. MFIN, Makati Finance. MFIN, wala, money flow index going out, so okay lang. Ion, Ionics, EMA 13 over SMA 20 na siya, nag-cross na siya. After nag-cross, ayan, nakita niyo yung performance, it's 4.2% and then bumaba na siya last Friday, 2.1%. Money flow index going out. So, I think nagkaroon na ng selling for Ionics. SM, blue chip. SM, SMA 20 over EMA 13. Ano lang, not much price action. If you want the stock, you better start accumulating bodega. Okay. Then SM is next to SM, OPM. Oriental Petroleum. OPM, SMA 20 over MA 13. Okay, mukhang hindi magtutuloy yung cross kaagad, but it's 9% up, OPM. Then, let me get my calculator. Next is Ore. ORE, SMA 20 over MA 13. So it's still in the buying pattern, still in the buying season. Nasa ilalim na siya ng 20% oversold from the money flow index. Pwede ka mag-long sa SM kasi bumagsak siya. Ang ganda ng ang layo ng gap niya. Okay. Okay, then we have sandali OPM, we have ORE. ORE is still ongoing. Wala yan. Lagyan natin sa BPI. Pero wag muna kayong magbibili ngayon. We're going to do our Sunday planning session tomorrow. That's where we're going to, yung cheat sheet na galing doon, yun ang gagamitin natin for next week. Today, we're only doing a review. BPI. BPI nag-cross na, okay? From last week, it was nakita natin BPI from last week pa yan. We saw it coming. So you have 2%, 289%, pero kung susumahin mo yan, meron yang about 5%, 5.2%. Diba, BPI? Then ANI, Agri-Nurture. Agri-Nurture, let's go. SMA 20 over MA 13, still in the buying season. Pero let's wait for the 20% below oversold sa money flow index before you start buying ANI. Okay. Then, we have FNI, ferronickel. FNI is SMA 20 over MA 13. Money flow index is going down towards 20% oversold, which means fund is going out. Okay? Start accumulating if you want this stock to kung gusto niyo i-swing trade like 8%, 5% up. Start watching this below 20% oversold. Okay? So next and last is URC. This is last for the local equities market. EMA 13 over SMA 20. So wala na siya sa listahan for next week. URC. It might continue to go up pero wala na siya sa listahan. That's that 9% up lang. So, sum up natin how much we performed for last week. We have 10 plus 18 plus 3 plus 4.5 plus 1.8 plus 8.1 plus 2.6 plus 4.6 plus 2.1 plus 9 plus 5.2 plus 0.9. Okay, so we just performed 69% from last week. This week, 69% lang ang performance natin. Napakababa. Alright? Well, personally, I'm not happy. 69%. We used to have, I mean, it's really a ghost month. 69% performance for this week. Napakapangit nun. Alright? We're used to 100%, 200%, 800% performance. But now we're just 69%. While others, they're just 30%, 40%, masaya na sila. No? Okay? But for us, it's not. Because swag trading system should do better than that. But since this is a ghost month, yun nga, anyway, at least you have 69% for this week. Alright, so after the local market, matagal ko lang hindi pinapasyalan to, may US global equities. So hopefully, mabilis yung aking internet right now, which is not. Okay, temporarily unavailable daw. No, it's not. But it should. All right. I think we have a ano. I can show you my kung ano yung hawak kong I'm holding Disney right now. I'm done with other. Sarado na kasi yung mga futures contract. Sarado na yan by ano eh, by this time. Next year na ulit mag-open yan. So I'm now looking at the US global equities or the US market. So tingnan natin paano nag-perform ang ating US market. Yung PXP, I forgot to mention PXP. Sandali wait. Felix Petroleum. Felix Petroleum, yes, it's still in the buying pattern. Ayan. Pero money flow index, maganda yan. Money flow index is already went up. So by next week, we will expect something for this stock to perform favorably. PTX. What market is PTX? Tingnan natin. What's that? PTX is Therapeutics Holdings. Sandali Okay, let me go through my US market first. Okay, I think I opened Disney at 95.52. So nasalo yung nasalo yung aking bid. So now Disney is going up 95.76, 7%. So eventually, let's do a full screen mode for Disney. This is now SMA 20 going EMA 13 over EMA 13. Parabolic SAR is still bearish, but the money flow index is now going up. It means the fund is going up. That's why it went up that 7% yesterday. So once nag-cross yung SMA 20, since this is a global market, this is New York Stock Exchange. Wala rito yung mga operator. Wala rito yung mga operator ng PSE. So you're more confident on when the crossover happens, it will go up to 97, it will go up to 100. So ganun ang future ng Disney as far as swag trading system is concerned. But the thing is that my license is not covered for this market. Okay? So I can recommend anything I want, anything I want. I can recommend any stock I want. Okay, so without the fear of the regulators looking at my license. So, kasi this is the market, this is the US market. Okay, so SMA 20, I can say that once the crossover happened, for this swag signal, sureball lilipad na to Disney. Okay, that's why I have my position placed already. Store. Yeah, so I just bought 50 shares. Mahal eh. Yeah. Okay. So, yon. So that's the global market. Global market, we also use the swag trading system, and I'm using the Saxo Trader Go as our trading platform for the US market. And not only for the US market, Saxo Trader you can also use for Forex. Let's say if you want Forex Europe, you want all the Euro pairs for the Forex Europe, nandiyan lahat yan. You can trade Forex on Saxo Trader. You can trade CFDs if you understand the contract for difference. You can do that. You can also trade futures. You can trade commodities, etc. etc. Anything. The global market. Pagka meron kang pondo, meron kang capital na malaki, go to the global market. Expand your revenue. Yan. So maraming close ngayon. Almost all of the commodities. Lahat ng mga commodities ngayon sarado. It will open maybe next year or December. That's why I closed also my coffee contracts and my copper contracts. So I'm done with it last June. All right. Actually, that's one of the thing I was in London last May, the coffee. So what else? So that's how the global market works. IMNP, let's look at the chart. IMNP. Madali lang yan. The swag works well on the global market. If you're making money on swag from the Philippine market, sobrang dali ng swag sa global market. No brainer. Once you see the SMA 20 over SMA 13, pasok lang kayo ng pasok. Yes, si K Marsico Studio. This is SMA 20 over SMA 13. Money flow index is going up. Very good call for IMNP. Kung nakaposisyon ka rito, wow, ang sarap ng kita mo. Ano ka naman? What do you call that? Magpa-craft beer ka naman sa London, sa Shepherd's Bush, somewhere. Yan. Then, ano pa isa? What else? The IMNP PTX. Yeah, let's look at PTX. I think IMNP is in the XNAX market. What's the XNAX? Restore. PTX. Nasdaq. Okay. Nasdaq pala itong PTX tsaka IMNP. PTX Equities. Nasdaq. Ayan. Tingnan natin. PTX already is SMA 13 over SMA 20. This is why the last candlestick is red. Kasi nagkakaroon na ng selling, money flow index is going down, nagkakaroon na siya ng selling, and then the parabolic SAR will eventually change to bearish position. So yan ang PTX. Okay, so ang simple ng global market. Ang local market natin pagka hirap-hirap. Okay, so if you're making money on the local market, that means you're doing good. Okay? Okay, I think yeah. So open a Saxo Trader demo account muna so you can look at the charts sa global market. Everything, Europe, Asian, US markets, nandoon lahat. Forex, precious metals, commodities, nandoon lahat, everything. Swag sa SGX pwede, kaya lang SGX ano yan natutulog yan tulog yung market ng SGX it's very illiquid. Walang masyadong action. Some is not a new time slot. I'm just only compensating for what we have lost last night. So now I'm going to do a quick kumusta ba yung lighting natin? I think I'm done with our screen share, with our post-market review. We performed 69% better than the 0%. Okay? So I'm now stop screen sharing. Let me resize. All right, so we're done with our post-market review. At least now I can do a fan sign, a quick fan sign. Medyo quick fan sign for ayan, Che Gudiaga. Okay, miss ko na yung maiden name mo eh. Alright. Saan na isa? Yung nagre-request si Jomer. Where's my pen? Jomer Damalerio. Kita ba? Sandali ah. Let me know if it's dark. Okay. Kita naman. Jomer Damalerio. Thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Okay? Then, Marcy Custudio. Thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Yeah. Anthony Cruzat. Thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Okay. Kita ba? Yan. Kita. Sinong taga Singapore? Sinong taga Hong Kong? Sinong taga... Well, from UK, of course, obviously. UK, I think it's morning right now. Morning ba? Fritz Gerald Patron. Thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Ayan. Ang ano bukas, ang quiz bukas, ano yung logo? Ano yung logo dun sa katabi ng Saxo? That's the quiz tomorrow. But I'm not gonna I'm gonna post the question tomorrow para mabilis ang sagutan. Lugi naman yung mga hindi nanonood ngayon. Ayan. Okay, who else? Okay na, mabilis lang tayo. Medyo gutom na ako. Merienda naman. Awijire Sanoy, thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Ang hirap ispilingin ng name mo. Pwede man Jire na lang. Jire. Ayan. Ayan, tabi ng Saxo yung logo natin. Anong company yan? But I will post the question tomorrow. That this is yung question ko, doon ipo-post yung answer ninyo. Any answer earlier than my question is disqualified. Okay, I think we're done for today. Mabilis lang for 30 minutes quick market review. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching Soul of the Market. I am now ending my transmission. And see you tomorrow on Sunday.